It is 8:30 in the morning and your crucial exam starts in 30 minutes. You reach for your revised study notes, but they are not where you expected them to be. 10 agonizing minutes pass while your heart rate quickly spikes and you start frantically dumping out your bags. You begin digging under piles of dirty laundry and tearing through stacks of loose paper everywhere. By 8:55 you finally find them, but your hands are shaking uncontrollably from the extreme panic. A sharp, throbbing pressure is building behind your eyes and you feel completely exhausted before even starting. Most people look at this terrible moment and assume they're just bad at handling high pressure. However, this intense panic did not actually start 30 minutes ago when you began searching. It started 3 weeks ago when you dropped those notes on the table instead of filing them away. You told yourself you would deal with it later, but that simple decision triggered a destructive cycle. One item left out soon becomes 5 items, which quickly transforms into a giant untidy pile. This bad habit slowly snowballs into a daily crisis that ruins your focus and peace of mind. Think back to when you started your last school semester or moved into a brand new place. You saw a clean slate and promised yourself that you would stay perfectly organized this time. Yet, within just 2 weeks, the exact same chaotic mess returned and reclaimed your living space. We often assume that a new environment will automatically transform our daily behavior without any effort. However, without changing our core habits, the clutter always returns to ruin our fresh start completely. Neuroscientists from Princeton Neuroscience Institute, who study how our brain processes visual information, found something fascinating. They discovered that every single misplaced item in your room actively competes for your brain's limited attention. Imagine your brain as a computer, and a tidy room runs only 2 essential background programs smoothly. A cluttered desk is like having 50 browser tabs open simultaneously, which drains your system speed rapidly. Your brain works overtime to filter out visual distractions, which leads directly to severe mental exhaustion. By early afternoon, your mental energy is drained and you naturally start procrastinating on important tasks. Physical disorganization is not just an ugly visual problem, because it acts as a constant biological stressor. Living in perpetual chaos keeps your body trapped in a low-grade state of fight or flight. Your brain interprets the constant mess as an unmanaged threat, which floods your body with stress hormones. When important deadlines arrive, that hidden background stress explodes into intense physical panic and sudden illness. You experience severe tension headaches because your neck muscles lock up under continuous subconscious physical pressure. High levels of stress hormones upset your stomach, which leaves you feeling sick during crucial moments. We urgently need to change how we think about organization, because it is not just boring cleaning. Cleaning is merely reacting to a mess, while organizing is a powerful form of proactive self-care. Assigning a permanent home to your belongings is a wonderful gift of peace for your future self. If these insights helped you today, please like and subscribe so we can reach others who need this support. To break this exhausting cycle forever, you can easily adopt 3 simple habits in your daily life. Author Marie Kondo suggests that every object you own must have a single designated home address. When items lack a proper home, they drift around your living space and create endless daily friction. Best-selling writer James Clear recommends using the 2-minute rule to lower your daily cleaning effort drastically. If putting an item away takes less than 2 minutes, you should always do it immediately. This simple approach prevents small messes from growing without requiring huge amounts of personal willpower every day. Expert David Allen, who created popular time management systems, emphasizes that our minds need external support systems. He explains that human brains are designed for generating creative ideas, rather than storing physical locations. You should rely on digital organizers and physical containers to store your information and belongings safely off your mind. These simple strategies will protect your valuable energy and prevent last-minute panic from happening again. The next time you feel tempted to drop your notes on the floor, remember this choice. You are not saving any time, but rather opening another overwhelming background tab in your mind. Clear your physical workspace today, and you will instantly clear your cluttered mental cache as well. Giving your brain a calm environment allows you to think clearly, perform better, and thrive daily. You do not need to overhaul your entire life at once to see real progress today. Start by organizing just one single object on your desk right now, and close that tab. Thank you for watching.